Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking fish stew. Yes, fish stew. And this is palm oil. Yes, leaving it to hot for some minutes. I'm adding my mixed pepper. Yes, I'm adding my chicken cube. That's not chicken cube. And the next thing is my fish, fresh fish. Yes. Wow. I love this stew. Some people call it omoyo. Yes, so let's add our salt. So after this, we leave it, cover it to cook for some minutes. And before we know it, our stew is ready. Kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Please, I love you. Thank you. Bye.